These are 3 extremely profitable side hustles / business ideas. Normally I come in with all these flashy titles, try to capture people's attention so that they don't click off of the video, but I'm not going to do that in this video because this stuff here sells itself. So if people choose to click off, well, unfortunately that's their choice. I've taken the last 6 years of my university courses and combined them with my 20 years of practical experience as a corporate accountant. And these are the absolute best side hustles that I could come up with. And you might be thinking, well, okay, Aaron, if they're that great, why aren't you doing them? Well, I am. That's my secret. I plan on doing all 3 of these side hustles because I believe in them that strongly. I know these will work. I put in many hours of research into these side hustles, and I am very confident that these will provide a great secondary supplemental income. I actually can't believe I'm sharing these with my audience, but I want to give value, and these are 3 absolutely great ideas. And it kind of depends upon proximity. So unless you live right near me in my city, close to my area, I won't be impacted that much. 2 key elements that you want to look for in these side hustles that I took into account is 1, you want to have some sort of a competitive advantage over other people in the industry that you're competing with. 2, you want it to be cost effective. So what exactly does this mean? So a good example of the cost is you don't want to spend $28,000 on a bobcat to start an excavating service. Well, that's a huge initial startup cost, and very few people have that kind of money laying around. You want the initial cost low, but at the same time, you want to have a business that you start that generates a great, healthy return for your efforts and time. Second, the competitive advantage. What do I mean by this? Well, imagine your neighbor who lives across the street. You get your rake, you go knock on his door, and you say, "Hey, John, I'd love to rake your leaves for you. I'll charge you $9 for the whole yard." And he says, "Okay." Well, what's stopping your other neighbor further down the street from picking up his rake and offering to do the same thing for $6 or $7? Well, nothing. There's no barrier to entry. You have no competitive advantage over someone else. The barrier to entry is so low that many people can do it. Everybody has a rake, has an hour or 2 that they can spend doing that. And it requires very little knowledge. So if you have some good working knowledge of this industry and you keep gaining knowledge and you put in a little bit of initial startup cost and capital, you'll have that competitive advantage over other people who just won't take the time or effort to make that initial investment. So as Robert Kiyosaki would say in his famous book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, you want to use this to outthink other people and maybe take the initiative that they wouldn't normally take to get ahead. So the first great side hustle idea that I have that I plan on practicing is pressure washing. You go and purchase a pressure washer, which range from $170 to $380. I myself would rather spend up to around $380 and get a good quality pressure washer that I believe in, that I know will do the job. For pressure washing, the 2 main things that you want is 1, you want it to have good pressure, good power, because you want it to be able to do the job as intended. 2, you'll probably be going around from place to place, transporting it from neighborhood, maybe to neighborhood. So you want it portable. You want it to be able to fit in your truck, car, be able to wheel it around. So 2 very important things to consider. You could show up, knock on somebody's door and say, "Hey, mister, I have a pressure washer right here. Could I wash your driveway? I'll charge you," start low, $150, just till you learn what you're doing. $150, if you do that 2, 3, 4 times at max, the pressure washer's paid for itself. And you're not just limited to driveways, but you can also do a variety of other things as well. You can also wash windows, home exteriors, fencing, outdoor patio and furniture, umbrellas, kids' play equipment, garbage bins, wooden decks, cars, motorbikes, mountain bikes, trailers, barbecues, and planted pots. Most people couldn't be bothered to take the time to actually go and wash their driveway. They just rather have somebody do it for them. The second great idea that I had for a side hustle is car detailing. So this is taking someone's car, going and cleaning the interior and the exterior very well, making it look brand new. So many people, again, they don't want to be bothered to take the time to fix up their car, make it look nice. They'd rather have a professional do it. Where you stand out in this sector is that your knowledge of cars, which you can learn off the internet, these tips are everywhere, will help you stand out. These little tips that people wouldn't know and couldn't be bothered to take the time to learn. Did you know, for instance, that you can fix a squeaky door hinge on your car just by applying bar soap to it? The squeak will go away. Many people don't know that. You can fix scratches and little nicks in your car with toothpaste. You can fix old tire rims and corrosion somewhat with just toilet bowl cleaner and water and applying them to the rims. It's just little tips like this. Then, of course, in order to clean the interior and exterior, you would have to have your own vacuum, steam cleaner, stuff like that. So there's a little bit of a startup cost there. The prices range from $150 for a small car up to $300 for an extra large vehicle. So you'll be cleaning the interior, which includes carpets, vinyl, leather, floor mats, dashboards, cup holders, air conditioning vents, mirrors, handles. Regarding cleaning and maintenance on the exterior, in addition to hand washing it, of course, you also may be applying paint and correction paint if you want to take it that far, polishing metal components, removing dents and scratches, cleaning door jambs, exterior windows, and clean and restoring headlights. Could you imagine now combining this second side hustle with your first side hustle? So now you have a pressure washer and you also clean the interior and exterior of cars. Now suddenly, you're the full package. Hey, if you're enjoying this content, would you smash the like button, as it really helps out my channel with the YouTube algorithm and is very much appreciated. There are two key elements that you want to take into consideration with this side hustle. One, water restrictions and what chemicals you can and cannot use. And two, having some type of insurance. In case you accidentally damage a client's car, you want to have the proper insurance coverage so that you're covered in that unfortunate case. It is called, in this case, garage liability insurance or something comparable in your area. The third extremely profitable side hustle that I have planned is create my own cleaning business. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to go out myself and clean and do residential and commercial areas, but I'm going to create a business where I hire people and they're going to do the work for me. I simply do the administrative, the marketing, and that's starting my own business. Why? Because you can charge about $35 per hour for a cleaning service to have somebody go clean a commercial residential area. How do I know this? Because I'm an accountant and I see a lot of invoices come across my desk and they usually charge anywhere from $35 to even $40 an hour. So you go get on with a company or do a residential cleaning or a move out and you charge $35 per hour. Now you go and pay that person that's cleaning $19 an hour. Why? Because we want to be fair and transparent, give that person what they're worth, but also give them a decent wage so that they do a really good job. Helps with the competitive advantage, word of mouth. Second, you keep $16 of that $35 transaction. So you retain a profit of $16 per hour each and every time one of your workers, employees, goes out and cleans something. Okay, so the scenario is your employee goes out, cleans the commercial building for 4 hours per week. So that's 4 times your profit, $16. And they do that 4 times a month, each and every week. So times 4, $256. Wow, that's pretty good. Now imagine you have 4 employees, $1,024 per month. Now, that's what we're talking about. Sounds pretty profitable now, right? So in fairness, this is your gross business income. So this is before taxes, other expenses such as cleaning supplies, insurance, and so forth for you and your employees. But this is a great start. A cleaning service is such an underrated, unappreciated business that most people don't think of and don't know about. But I see all over the place people going and saying, we are hiring, we're expanding, we're in need of cleaners, our business is growing. And this is something that AI can't replace. At this point, they can't have a cleaner robot come in and do actual cleaning service. So it's going to be in demand for quite a long time. But another way that you can gain a great competitive advantage is by each one of these side hustles having a business card. They are so easy to create and draft up, don't cost a lot of money. A lot of people think they do. And 2, create a website. Now, you can do this with AI and it's very easy. And I'm not talking about creating a very complex website with many transactions. Just have a website. Just have a website listing your services, a contact name, phone number, email, all of that. It gives you much more credibility and looks much more legitimate and reputable than someone showing up at your doorstep just holding a power washer and saying, hey, I'll clean your driveway. You don't know me. I don't know you. Well, if you hand them a business card, you're dressed professionally, lists a website, suddenly you're looking much more reputable and word of mouth spreads and people want to hire you or your business. For all three of these scenarios, you want to have at least one type of insurance and probably all three to some capacity. Those being 1, equipment insurance to cover your equipment if it gets lost or stolen. 2, liability insurance to cover any unforeseen damages. 3, workers' compensation to cover any injuries to you or your staff while you're on the job. Society is filled with problems every day. If you can figure out how to solve these problems in a cost-effective manner and generate a healthy return while doing it, you're already developing a great money mindset and starting to think like a businessman or woman, a great aspiring entrepreneur. Hey, if you got something out of this video and you're really enjoying it, would you please smash the like button, as it tells the YouTube algorithm that I made a good video that's decent and people enjoy watching. Also, consider subscribing to my channel if you want to learn more about personal finance and investing.